This is a demonstration of the ServiceMate and LANA integration that we have created so that we have a seamless experience for customers that are being captured within LANA from your various marketing channels and being pushed into your ServiceMate account. So what we've done is we have a website here called LANA Tradies. This is an example of a contact form, as you know. Now, whether you've come through the web chat that we supply as part of the software, social media, or your Google My Business, you're still going to achieve the same result of the integrations that we're showing you now. So a normal customer comes in and fills out a contact form with their name, phone, and email address and hits submit. Now, what will happen is as you come into LANA, that will create a new job card or card within our opportunity section as John Curtis. It'll tag where the customer has come from. And now within our system, we have the ability to speak to the customer automatically. Now, what has happened in the background outside of being dropped into this pipeline that'll look very familiar to ServiceMate users is the fact that if you come over to the conversations area, you will see that the LANA platform has actually spoken to the customer automatically for you. So here it says our team at LANA Tradies will be in touch with you shortly, provides some collateral about who we are, some marketing material about our business, and landing pages. The messaging isn't going through right now because this account isn't connected for SMS and phone call purposes. But what's happening in the background is LANA is automatically nurturing that customer for you and responding to them to ensure that it keeps them top of mind. So here you can see the tip sheet that our company's LANA is sending to your customer on your behalf. Now, once you've spoken to the customer, you would come into the opportunity section within LANA, and you can call that customer by clicking on the dial pad here. You can message them directly to their phone straight through here. And let's say that you've spoken to them and it is a lead that you do want to quote. Now, we can automatically push every lead directly into your ServiceMate account and create that as a lead. Or alternatively, by dragging the job card over, just like this, you can automatically create a client and a job within your ServiceMate account. So if I come over to the queue here, in a moment, what you'll see is John Curtis will drop into this system, just like that. And here he is on the right-hand side. Now, what you'll also notice is if you have got the email upgrade and attachment with your ServiceMate account, you can click on this here and the notification will mean that I can go in and see this job and simply convert that into a job. Now, that's quite an amazing process that you've got because it speeds things up, pulls all the details in so that you can quickly manage this job. Now, when you're in your own ServiceMate account, you can do as you normally do to quote your customer and run through the process. Now, something I'd like to highlight for you here is the queue and the reason why we have a queue process and the advantage of having a queue. So if you're in your ServiceMate account and you want to go to quote create it and click save, as your customer is in here in our pipeline, it will automatically move the job card to the quote created pipeline stage. Now you might say, what is the advantage of having that tracked in our platform? Well, LANA will help communicate with your customer and market your business automatically. So the same way that when your customer came in and the new lead was captured, that automatically the customer is moving along their various stages of their journey with you, but our system is communicating with your customer on your behalf. So for example, when the quote is created, as we change that status, what we can do is as the customer is receiving a quote, we can generate really nice graphics and things to support that quote. So once the quote is sent to the customer, it may have things like this, emails that are well designed and crafted by us with your logo and messaging that's custom to your business to support and build trust and obviously get the customer more likely to want to sign off and accept your quote. And obviously that means more won jobs for you, which is great for the business. So in this case, it's a short story about our project guarantees, who our business is, what our values are, recent projects, and these things in the mind of a customer build trust, and obviously they're more likely to accept your quote. So if I come back to your platform and I look at ServiceMate here and I go into the queue, as the job goes to the quote sent, obviously, again, just for the demonstration purpose, the job card again in our platform will move to quote sent. And what that means is we send all this nice collateral to the customer. And that's really, really, really a nice way of winning more jobs. The final thing I would like to mention is that as we get to the job completed status, and we complete this job and hit save, that will automatically move the job card in our platform into our post-sale messaging sequence. Now, what is post-sale messaging? Again, if you've got an administrative team or if you don't, you know how important it is to follow up a customer when a job is completed. So once you've hit the completed button from your ServiceMate account, you know the power of following up that customer. And there it is there. The job card has just moved over. And it's now sent the customer a Google review request. Then you have the ability to send a coupon referral and so on. So we have these personally crafted messages just like this. Thank you from LANA Tradie. And we will design these for your business so that your post-sale messaging means that you're going to be winning back more customers, getting more referrals, and winning more business. And you don't have to do a thing. It's completely tied into your ServiceMate integration. So that's an overview of our integration, how they work. Certainly reach out to our team if you'd like some more information at LANA Software. Thank you.